Okay guys, super quick update with Bitcoin. I know the last video was 19 minutes long and a lot of you don't have time to watch that entire video. I hope you did because I gave you some precision entries. Love me or hate me guys, I do give you some accurate entries for longs and shorts. So I'm going to cover your key levels and just go through and show you what your levels are to pay attention to currently. Guys, you can leverage trading. Coincatch is a great option, no KYC. That link's pinned to the first comment description if you want to sign up. This is a tutorial video I put up teaching you how to open an account, create an account, transfer funds, and how to use the tools to trade on Coincatch. I'll put this video now if you want to check it out. Two other exchanges that you use are BitUnix and BingX. Those links are also pinned in the first comment description. Now, in this video, I am not picking the 2 coin winners, but you still have a chance to win. That previous video I put up, I'll still be picking the 2 winners from that video. So again, you still have a chance to like, subscribe, and comment. And guys, I can tell if you're subscribed. Remember, if you're not subscribed, that disqualifies you from winning the coin. I just wanted to get this video up really quick just to show you your key levels. So in the previous video, guys, this was in the video is called Bitcoin Bull Run or Rug Pull. And this was about 13 minutes, 27 seconds in. I said, and you can see I have closed captions on down here, said well, it didn't show correctly, but 70,739 right here, this resistance. I would short that down to at least 68,800. Notice it says 68,800. We had confluence between the H1 chart and the D1 chart. I'll link this video now if you want to check it out. And as you can see, we dropped. This is the point you should have shorted because this was our resistance right here. We got rejected. We came down. Your point too long, 68,800. And in that very same video, I said if we push back up, pay attention to 71,567 right here because this was a lot of previous resistance. That is where you would short. And you could see we got rejected right here at 71,588. And let's see, if we go on to the D1 chart, again, the confluence with that target, 69,800, even if we drop down to 68,700, that would be a 0.2 chance so long. We hit those targets again to get confluence between charts. That is a more likely point to go long. That played out. Let's go on, guys. So again, like I said, and as you can see, that is what I was talking about in that previous video. 71,500 was such strong resistance. Let me make this red. I always have a problem with this. So as you can see, that's why that was a lot of resistance. There was a lot of resistance here, 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 and here. So when we push back up, that's why we got a rejection here. So right now, what we are watching on the daily, at least for on the D1 chart, we are watching to see if we get a daily open above or below. Next daily open, well, the next daily open, we're trying to see if we get an open below 70K or above. Below 70K, we bearish down to 68,700. Keep in mind the central Bollinger Band on the daily is sitting right here at 68,138. So again, I am bearish below 68,700, but the central Bollinger Band will be pushing up to this point, probably why we got a nice bounce. But again, bullish if we get a daily open above 70K, bearish down to at least 68,700 if we get a daily open below. Remember, if we break below this orange macro trend line, I get very bearish. Pay attention to that MACD, guys. So we get across, that's going to be very bearish. The most critical resistance level just above is going to be around close to 72,900 up to 73K, which is our previous all-time high. Actually, 72,000. I think it was 72. This is pretty much close to our all-time high. I think all-time high was right at 73,800. So that is your most critical resistance above. But your you see this fib channel line that was respected, 72,900. As far as the hourly, so again, your support level to pay attention to right now is the same one as before, around 68,915. Your next resistance level just above this same level we got rejected from is right at 70,900. And then your next critical resistance level is going to be 71,561 up to around 71,690. Next resistance level above that, and you can see how much the resistance level this has been. Very critical resistance to pay attention to right in this area. And that is around, again, 72,900. You can see those targets actually match. So guys, that's pretty much it. If you do want to get leverage trading, again guys, Coincatch, great option. If you want to sign up, links pinned in the first comment description. Make sure you watch this tutorial video if you want to learn how to do leverage trading. And again, there's 2 other exchanges, BitUnix and BingX. Again, all those links to sign up pinned in the first comment description. And if you want to get access to our charts and Discord, just if you do sign up, make sure you email me through the website and I'll send you a Discord invite link. But guys, that's it. Remember, it's opportcrypto.com. That link is pinned in the first comment description. Guys, trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.